Hello, my friends. Okay, today you're working solo, so I wanted to give you just a jumpstart reminder on how to multiply 2 by 2-digit numbers. So right here we have 67 times 24. So reminder, this bottom row is like our control panel. We want to multiply everything on the bottom row by everything on the top row in order. So my first step is 4 times 7, which is 28. So I'm going to drop my 8, carry my 2. Then I have 4 times 6, which is 24. 24 plus 2 more is 26. Because there's no other number to carry over to, we just drop our 26 here. And my top row is complete, right? Before I start multiplying by this 2 here, I have to drop a 0 placeholder because that 2 is in the tens place. And if I have a 10 of any kind, I have 1 0. So we want to drop that place there. Now I can start distributing that 2 to all the numbers on top. So let's use green. We're going to do 2 times 7, which is 14. I drop my 4. Notice how I'm writing in line there. I drop my 4. Maybe that's easier to see. There we go. I drop my 4. I carry my 1. I cross out that 2. I've already used that 2, right? Then I do 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Again, that's my last digit to multiply on top. So I bring all my digits down on that one for 13. Notice again how aligned my numbers are. They have to be aligned in their place value in order to add correctly and avoid any extra errors. All right, now that my multiplication step is done, I'm now going to, you said it, my friends, add them up. So I have 8 plus 0, which is 8. 6 plus 4, which is 10. I drop my 0. Notice how I carry my 1 right up to this 2. I'm not carrying it up here. This whole area is done. Then I have 3 plus 2, which is 5. 5 plus 1, which is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. My thousands place goes right here, so that's where my comma goes. So my product for 67 multiplied by 24 is 1,608. All right. This next one I'd like you to pause the video on and try it on your own and then hit play when you're ready to check. So this next problem we're going to do is 51 multiplied by 35. So go ahead, hit pause right now. Try to solve this bad boy on your own. Hit check when you're ready to play. If you just would like to watch this one through, you can, but I'd like you to try to pause so that you can see how you're mastering this, this standard. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, welcome back. So again, I'm going to take this bottom row and it's going to be distributed to everything on top. So I have 5 times 1, which is 5. Then I have 5 times 5, which is 25. Again, that's my last digit. I'll be multiplying by this 5, so I bring everything straight down. Before I even attempt to multiply by that 3, I notice that the 3 is in the tens place, not in the ones place. A 10 has how many zeros? That's correct, 1 0. So that's where that placeholder comes from. Again, notice how I'm already starting to line up my numbers. Then I take this 3 and I multiply it up to that 1 in the ones place. 3 times 1 we know is 3. I drop my 3. Then I take my 3 and I go straight up to the 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Because this is the last step of multiplication for this 3, I bring everything straight down as 15. No need to carry over. Again, check out how I'm lining up my numbers. That necessity is huge when it comes to adding correctly. All right, my friends. Next up, we're gonna go to our addition step. 5 plus 0 is 5, not 0, as we can be kind of confused at times. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus nothing is 1. My comma is going to go right between the 1 and the 7, so that my product is 1,785. All right, guys, I have 2 more for you to do solo. Here we go. My next one is going to be, let's do 94 times 15. So please hit pause on the video and write down this multiplication problem. When you're ready, hit play, and we'll check your answer. Welcome back, my friends. Here we go. This time I'm not going to color coordinate. I'm just going to use black all the way through. So my first step should have been 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. I drop my 0. I carry my 2. Next move is 5 multiplied by 9 in the tens place. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus this bad boy of 2 is 47. There's nowhere else to carry over on top, so I've got 470 for my top row. I add that plus to the side. Before I start multiplying this 1 is in the tens place, which notifies me that I'm not just multiplying by a 1, but I'm really multiplying by a 10. So I drop that 0 because 0 is a part of 10, right? Then I do 1 times 4, which is 4. Then I do 9 times 1, which is 9. I bring that bad boy down, and I'm now to my addition step of my algorithm. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. Drop my 1, carry my 1 up here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is going to be 14. So my product here is 1,410. All right, here is your final problem. $39 multiplied by 39. All right, again, please hit pause. When you're ready to check your work, please hit play. Welcome back, my little homie emojis. Here we go. 9 times 9 is going to be 81. I drop my 1. I carry my 8. That's a super important step, right? Plus 8. Then I have 9 times 3, which is 27. 27 plus 8 is going to give me 35. So I drop my 35. That's my last step on top. Before I start multiplying by this 3, that 3 is in the tens place. I have to notify that by dropping a 10 as dropping a 0 as my placeholder. Then I've got 3 times 9 again, which is 27. Drop my 7. Carry my 3. Cross out that 8. That 8 is 3, or that 8 is done. Then I have 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 3 more is 12. My last step, so both numbers come down. I now have got 351 on top, 1,270 on bottom. Reminder, we have to line up our numbers. If our numbers are not aligned, we're going to get funky answers and get really frustrated and not know how to find that error. Let's add them up. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. So my product is 1,621. I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but I do want to see your work and your notes and how you work through these problems, okay? Again, I know we're still new here, but you guys are doing great. Keep up the effort. I will see you in class tomorrow, but make sure to bring me your work when you're done today. I'll be in the office. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.